Today we there with JD. Alkaline new rules in performance. How much you da rate you out of 10?
Honestly, Alka did a exceptionally good performance, but it if we can drag the people in. I feel like say in drag enough people. Yeah man. The performance was good, you know. You see, energy up and everything, but I feel like in drag enough people still.
Explain what you mean.
Because I feel like more people could have the capacity. It never pack, never sold out.
You never pack, but me and you say sold out.
No sir, that no sold out, man. Check Kartel show.
Alright, hold on. How much you da give Alka with him performance out of 10?
I give Alka 7.5.
7.5.
Yeah.
Anyway, Mr. JD,
Yeah.
Kartel performance at Amsterdam. What do you think about it?
Well, you know why king that? Everybody knows the Kartel are the king in a dancer. Zin, so Kartel did a great job. I say great and a great performance in deliver to the people them well as we expected. Yeah man.
How much you da give the performance out of 10?
10. Yeah man, I can't tell that man. Yeah man, 10 straight. It had energy the up and everything. Everything organized, everything set. In Kartel go on good. That me can say.
Continue video. Bounty Killer performance in a Barclay Center. What you have to say about that?
Bounty Killer, that Godzilla. Yeah man. You see Bounty now, when I say Bounty, a legend. Legend, you understand? So Bounty did go on good. Me not gonna lie. Bounty go on good. Big up Bounty Killer. Yeah man, straight.
How much you da give him performance out of 10?
I give Bounty a 9. No joke, 9.
It's a good look. Where people then can find you?
On TikTok, JD. That's alone me there.
Alright, thank you for your time.
Yo, St. Mary, yo, young go getter. 2-9! On to them, man. You know the thing go. And the girl them sang, don't. MoneyGram to Western Union. 1 bag of money. The girl them a say me get some money from. And some tell me say me own MoneyGram. And some say me own Western Union. Enough girl a ask, I want me come from. A Sansa say me trade to Portland, man a scammer. And every girl want $1,000. But that's $100 US. I know what me, every pretty girl a follow. A girl a fight for fish, me short color. Some me buck this girl from Chilani. When me done with her, me love me Silani. Some me send for your friend named Tishani. Plus big Shani, some punani. The girl a itch, the girl no senani. And she run with a man farm and cranny. The girl a dig in your ears like a mosquito. Give her a hot liquor, me she get frosty cut.
Never give out that are the key in a life. You're mad. Tell them straight, man. They live now. No cover, hustle every day, you know. Try to make a life. Out in the street, you know. Never have a choice. Never give out that are the key in a life. Enough people could have do the wrong thing, you know. And just a try, you know.
While them a fight.
You know, this is cause they don't have a choice. Never give out that are the key in a life. Run and now.
Run and so nice.
Yeah, the jungle though, don't you see the snake, you know. Ask me how me doing, I'm gonna
Tell them say we great, you know.
man are the greatest in rap, still underrated, you know. What? Still a bonus, spliff and meditate,
You know. They can't box the food out of my plate, you know.
They can't tell all the weight of the food.
Wait, you know.
Hey, put that something there.
On a scale, you know.
I just been holding me away, you know.
Haters enough up, you know. You ask me, I surely tell you.
Yeah. Don't be talking as if you didn't
No.
Watcha, 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 cause they hold it. Watcha, 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 watcha. Hey, me nah go tell them the problem because you know look no sorry for. People say they love you, no, I know everybody yeah. Somewhere you're dead, I know if you become a carrier. I just move every bridge
And every barrier.
When haters and God full name mankind just want to see you falling, no
Want to see you shine.
They never see you good and
Try
shine.
highlight it.
Watcha. Hey,
Very sick for you.
hey, me pass hospital, hey, me pass Bellevue. Watcha now, me coulda dead already. But I borrow time with the family.
Jaja say never ready.
So what you say? Now go tell me problem for your life. Yeah, enjoy it already. And I go tell her that for your come jam me back in memory. Yeah.
Never give up, that are the key in our life.
Wagwan. Can I tell you something?
Yeah.
No, out in the jungle just have to be a fighter. Can't be a lion, no.
Have to be a tiger.
Have to skill you, now so fi survive ya. Lion, lazy a man a fighter. Wait, don't know where they no like for. Don't
Know what the whole lot bad mind for.
Still don't know where them a lock it
Decide for.
But we don't know some man a watch out now. Not just somebody none at all. So tell me what the reason me
Oh, just a girl.
don't can trust anything you want. Trust anything, but me rather just spend it.
Dollar.
Yeah, every start I'm a finish. It no matter me, I go show them how we do it. Yeah, me see the race them a run. Alright now we are gonna show them how we do it. Wait, Matt, you get it? Never give up.
That are the key in our life.
Persistent, man, believe.
Never give up, that are the key in our life.
Off.
Views of the people, all the people. Stop separate the people and listen to views of the people. Mother Road, Sky God.
Gather road.
Gather Road.